Mass Communication, Rajiv Gandhi University. I'm very happy to announce that we could finally launch our community radio station, which has been named as Radio Rono, 91.2 FM megahertz. So it has been launched by our Chief Rector of the university and our Honorable Governor, Arunachal Pradesh. So it has been formally launched today, and we look forward to utilizing this medium for the benefit of not only the student communities of Rajiv Gandhi University, but also for the students and the people, and particularly the community in and around Rajiv Gandhi University. And I would like to inform you all that this community radio station has a reach of about 15 kilometers radius. Thank you.
So, कौन कौन यूज़ कर सकेगा और किस पर्पज के लिए यूज़ किया जाएगा?
ये कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन प्राइमरीली एजुकेशन, एंटरटेनमेंट और इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए यूज़ होगा. और जैसे मैंने बताया था कि ये स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी के लिए पर्टिकुलरली, जहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हम लोग ब्रॉडकास्ट करेंगे, जैसा रेडियो टॉक शोज, फॉर एग्जांपल इट कुड बी ऑन हेल्थ इशूज, करियर काउंसलिंग, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स बहुत सारे होंगे. और लोकल ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग्स भी हम लोग ब्रॉडकास्ट करने के लिए हम लोग हमारे एजेंडा में है.
So can you tell the timing and which FM to channel in?
At the moment, we plan to broadcast our community radio between 3 to 5 p.m.
So which FM? 91?
The frequency modulation is 91.2 FM, and as I have said, it has a reach of about 15 kilometers only.
सर ये सब बनने का बजट कितना है?
I'm yet to know the exact budget, but then the government, the university authorities has been very kind enough. It's the authorities would be the right person to comment on the approximate budget which has been utilized for, starting of this community radio station.
सर फंक्शन कब से होगा?
It will be functional from today. It's 3 to 5 p.m. Please tune into 91.2 FM.
सर इसमें कोई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आप जैसे कि सर मास कम्युनिकेशन में ही है, तो आपका यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग मास कम्युनिकेशन करके बैठा हुआ है, तो उन लोगों को सर एनी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी?
हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी अथॉरिटीज़ को प्रपोज किया है कि हमें एक टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट और MTS की ज़रूरी होगी ये कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन चलाने में. एंड एज वी प्रोग्रेस, आई एम श्योर दी अथॉरिटीज़ विल pay heed to our request to please provide us some technical personals for running the community radio station. And as the name suggests, community radio station, it is quite big in itself, in the sense that we have to have involvement of even the community people, because that's one of the mandate as far as CSR guidelines are concerned. And we will certainly look forward to mass communication graduates, because they have got the technical know-how of as to how to operate a community radio station. Thank you.